And that was our list of the top 5 best portable blenders, USB rechargeable. Which blender did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more amazing tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Number 5. 700 ml Portable Blender. Looking for a powerful and large capacity portable blender? This 700 ml portable blender is perfect for making fresh juices and smoothies anytime, anywhere. Comes with a USB rechargeable battery, making it ideal for travel, office, or outdoor use. The strong motor and sharp blades ensure smooth blending of fruits and vegetables within seconds. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to carry in your bag. Whether you're at home or on the go, this blender helps you stay healthy with fresh drinks. A great choice for anyone who loves convenience and healthy living. Number 4. 10-Blade Portable Blender. This 10-blade portable blender offers powerful performance in a compact size. With its advanced blade system, it can easily crush fruits, ice, and other ingredients for smooth and delicious drinks. The USB rechargeable feature makes it convenient to use anywhere without needing electricity. Its stylish design and easy operation make it perfect for daily use. Whether you want a quick smoothie in the morning, or a refreshing juice after a workout, this blender is a great companion. It's durable, efficient, and designed for people who want fast and easy blending on the go. Number 3. 700 ml Juice Blender. The 700 ml Juice Blender is designed for those who need both capacity and performance. With its large container, you can prepare more juice or smoothies in one go. It features strong blades and a powerful motor to ensure smooth and consistent blending every time. The USB rechargeable system allows you to use it anywhere, making it perfect for travel, gym, or office. Its user-friendly design makes it easy to operate and clean. This blender is a great option for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient way to enjoy fresh and healthy drinks daily. Number 2. USB Mini Blender Cup. If you want a compact and budget-friendly option, this USB Mini Blender Cup is a perfect choice. It is small, lightweight, and very easy to carry, making it ideal for students, travelers, or office use. Despite its size, it delivers impressive blending performance for fruits and soft ingredients. The USB charging feature allows you to charge it with a power bank, laptop, or adapter. It's simple to use with one-button operation. This mini blender is perfect for making quick smoothies and juices without any hassle, giving you convenience anytime, anywhere. Number 1. 12-Blade Travel Blender. The 12-Blade Travel Blender is one of the most powerful portable blenders available. With its high-speed motor and advanced 12-blade system, it can blend fruits, vegetables, and even ice with ease. It is USB rechargeable, making it perfect for travel, gym, or outdoor use. The compact and stylish design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. It also ensures smooth and consistent results every time. If you want a premium quality blender that delivers excellent performance and convenience, this is definitely the best choice for you. And that was our list of the top 5 best portable blenders, USB rechargeable. Which blender did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more amazing tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.